Good morning students, here is your Seema ma'am. Now in this session we will see the topic the importance of the seed. In the last session we have completed about the seed structure or different types of seeds and different types of fruits. So in this session we will complete the importance of the seed. Now seed, as we have seen, it is considered as a final product of sexual reproduction. Now seed germination and other process of seed, they are been dependent on the water, whereas the different processes we have seen, that is the pollination and fertilization, they are independent of the water. They can happen in the absence of water also, but seed germination is totally dependent on water. Now seed, the requirement of seed is very much important as it forms the basis for agriculture. Now we cannot even imagine the whole agriculture process or the whole agriculture field. It is fully dependent on the seed. Also seed generate many different kind of varieties by different kind of process. Through the seed only we can get different genetic combination and genetic varieties of different species. Now there are some seeds are there of some species which remain alive for few months, or some seeds remain alive for many years, or many of the seeds remain alive for hundreds of years. Now this period of the seed that encounters them to remain alive, this is known as the viability of the seeds, means till how much period the seeds remain alive. So this period is known as viability period. Now there are certain examples are there in which seeds remain alive for many thousands of after years also. One of the seeds have been obtained of, that is lupine. The scientific name is Lupinus articus, during the excavation from the Arctic tundra. Now students, what is excavation? Now when you want to find something in the inside the earth by digging or by making the hole, so that process is known as excavation. So during the time of excavation from Arctic tundra, one of the seed, that is of lupine, that is scientific name is Lupinus articus, have been obtained, and the seeds have been germinated, and the flowering period was observed even after 10,000 years. So this was the, that is the viability period of the seed, that is after 10,000 years also the seed remain active and viable. Another example is of date palm, that is the recent record says that even after 2000 years the seeds of date palm, the scientific name is Phoenix dactylifera, and the seeds have been found out during the archaeological excavation of King Herod's palace, that is present at the Dead Sea. So this seed just showed that how long period, till how long period the seed remain viable or the seed remain active. So these are the two examples are there that you have to remember. Also certain plants are there in which there are numerous seeds are present. For example, you might have seen the ficus tree that contains, means the fruit, and the inside the fruit there are many kind of seeds are present. So these are some of the examples you have to observe in the nature, that in which plants and which trees the fruits are producing the numerous seeds.